So the Jigsaw Community Kitchen and Bakery has been operational now for 2 months. We're currently servicing 100 families a day, and each family is 5 to 7 people, and we're looking at expanding that. We've got a waiting list of 67 families, and there's a lot more people because of the poverty levels in the area. The first window here, we have naans being prepared, freshly made naans, 5 naans per family. So they start work at 7:30 in the morning, as does our main chef in the next section. And today's menu, we've got chicken and potatoes being cooked freshly. Every day it's a hot, fresh meal. And in the final office here, this is the main office where the beneficiaries arrive. They speak to the team, they get ticked off the register, they ensure everything's in order, and then they proceed through to get their hot food, and they take it from here.
منګ اوس پریشان یو د خوراک به زمونږ کوم ځای نه راځي. شکر دې په مدد سره موږ ته تاسو موږ له امید راکړو.
دې ترکارۍ او روټۍ سره زموږ لږ هم ختمه شو او موږ سره ډېر خوشحاله او ډېر ستاسو شکرونه ادا کوو.
And the cost of these hot meals to you and me back home, a mere £1 a day. For £1 a day, you can provide a hot meal to a family of 5 to 7 people. Just £1 a day is what we're asking to donate. And anything greater, then inshallah the ajr you get is even greater as well. So please keep supporting us, donate generously. Jigsaw, a better world, piece by piece.